you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys my purchases from Ulta, and I kind of figured, you know, Ulta has some new stuff that pretty much caught my attention, so I kind of figured let's just do a haul. And I'm super excited because I will be doing a series on my channel, which is starting with this video right here, which is my fall series, and I will be uploading a video every single day for this week strictly on fall related videos. So I hope you guys are super excited just like I am. Make sure you have your notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload. And I honestly haven't uploaded a video for a whole 7 days straight ever on my channel, so I'm very excited. Hope you guys are too, and you know, let's be excited together. So if you guys want to see my purchases from Ulta, then of course, again, let's get started. Alright, so again, this video is pretty much starting off my fall series videos on my channel, and this is pretty much going to be new makeup that I found at Ulta. So you guys know right now it's fall, so the hot new fall releases with makeup, and a lot of these products are super cute. Some are quite expensive, some are inexpensive, and I kind of figure I'll just share with you guys what caught my attention. So the first one is going to be by Essence. It's the Spice Up Your Life eyeshadow palette. When I saw this palette online on Ulta's website, I was like, oh my god, this palette is screaming fall. The colors in there are so pretty. They're definitely my kind of colors. And they actually had another one. It was like a purpley kind of palette, but this one to me definitely screamed fall, and it definitely screamed Saida all over it. The best part was the palette is $9.99, and you get 2 parts to the eyeshadow palette, which I thought was so freaking cute. So here is the top part to the eyeshadow palette, and then you also get a bottom part right here. So this part is definitely my kind of colors, and I really feel like the green, the gold, the orange, the browns, that it just screams fall across the board. This part down here is not bad, but it's not like my favorite kind of colors, but I can definitely get some use of these colors down here some way somehow. But I just love the freaking packaging. Like, look at this packaging, y'all. It just screams fall all over it. So let's go ahead and swatch some colors. I'm gonna swatch like 3 colors so we don't be here all day long. Alright, so here are 3 colors swatched on my hand. Like, I think these colors are so pretty. It felt really like nice to the touch. I'm not gonna say it was super buttery to the touch, but it didn't feel like chunky or like glittery either. So it felt smooth but not like buttery. But they're definitely really pretty colors. They're not the most like intense pigmented that I've swatched, but at the same time I feel like for Essence it's not a bad quality either. So I'm definitely excited to play with this eyeshadow palette and just kind of like let you guys know my thoughts on it. So I did get this eyeshadow palette from Essence. And then the next eyeshadow palette that I have is going to be by NYX. First of all, look at this box. I think this box is so pretty. So you guys know NYX came out with their like Machinist collection. They have 3 eyeshadow palettes. I want to say they have 2 highlighters, few lip products, and they have something else, but the one that I got is the one called Grind, which is this one right here, and I think the packaging is so freaking cute. You definitely have some weight to this eyeshadow palette, so it's definitely not like cheap in packaging, and I would hope not, because this eyeshadow palette costs $25, so it's quite expensive. And I kind of feel like NYX prices are like slowly going up, like for real. So yeah, I kind of feel like for $25 it needs to like slay across the board. So here is what the eyeshadow palette look like. I'm not gonna sit here and say it's like my go-to colors. Like, some of the colors right here almost remind me of like Subculture by Anastasia, but at the same time you have some really pretty like shimmer shades in this corner. So I think the colors in here are really pretty compared to the other 2 palettes. This one just caught my attention the most. So let's go ahead and swatch some colors. Now this is definitely silky to the touch. Look at that color. Alright, so that color is really pigmented and pretty. Do y'all see that? And then let's do this green one. Oops, that was horrible. That one is pretty too. And let's do one more. And look at that other one. So again, this one is the Grind eyeshadow palette by NYX. It's part of their Machinist collection. I know they have like an end cap display of their new collection, so make sure you guys go check it out if you guys want to see like what the collection looks like. But I did get that, and I also got one more piece from the collection. It is the Highlight in Duo. It's the Machinist Highlight in Duo. This one was pretty much the only color that was woman of color friendly, and I thought it's my kind of color, so why not try it out? And it wasn't that expensive in price, so I was very happy about that compared to the eyeshadow palette. So let me go on and swatch these colors for you. This gold is really pretty. It's actually like a true gold, not that yellow gold that you guys know I don't really care for. And then this orange color, it looks like it wants to lend itself to like a bronze, but it's not a true bronze. It's like a orangey kind of like highlighter. So I'm very curious to see how it's going to look like on my face, because you guys know I love a gold or an actual bronzy color. I don't own anything that's like this like orangey bronzy kind of color. Like I don't have anything like it in my collection. So I'm super excited for that color. All right, and then one random purchase was just these Kiss eyelashes. It was the one called Flirty. You guys know they have their fall sale haul, so they had these eyelashes on sale, so I did pick it up because I just think they're really pretty and long and flirty looking, so I kind of figured I would give it a try, so I did get that. And then keeping it along with Essence, I got two lip products from them. This is going to be the Essence Water Kiss Glossy Lip Color. I have it in a color called Aquatic Chic, and I have it in a color called Mermaid Diary. I was looking at Mermaid Diary in the store, and I thought the color was really pretty, but I already swatched it when I got home, and it's not my kind of color, so I may take this one back because I don't see myself getting any use out of it, because it's more on like on the pinky side. Like it's almost too pink for my liking, so I might take that one back. But the one called Aquatic Chic, which is this color right here, is definitely more my speed, so I might just exchange out that pink one for like another color. And I feel like the purple one, which is Aquatic Chic, is definitely more pigmented than the one that's called Mermaid Diary. So that's Aquatic Chic and that's Mermaid Diary. And again, these are the Essence Water Kiss Lip Glossy color. And I think the packaging is freaking adorable. So I did get these two. And then from Essence, I also picked up two of their Metal Shock eyeshadows. These reminded me of the Stila like eyeshadows, and then it also reminded me of the one from Pixie as well. I don't own any of them, so I figured I would get these instead. I got the color called Solar Explosion. It's this really pretty like gold color. And I picked up the one called 1 Second to Mars. It's a really pretty like pink champagne-y kind of color. Let me go on and swatch these two for you, and I think these cost $4.99, so they weren't super expensive. And then let me swatch the one next so you guys can see them both. All right, so here is what they look like swatched on my hand. And I definitely think the gold one swatched really nicely compared to the pink one. The pink one kept like almost like moving a little bit too much. But at the same time, you guys know on your hands to your eyes is two different things. They had so many pretty colors. They had like a pink one. They had like an iridescent like concoction going on of like different colors. They had a silver one. It was so many colors. I actually had 4 colors in my hand, and I was like, girl, go on and put 2 back and just get 2. So I did get these 2 instead. I may swap this one out for another color, but I definitely like that gold color a lot. And then I also got one more product from Essence. It is going to be the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter in the color called Be My Sunlight. Here is what the packaging looked like for it. I think it's really pretty. I do have one of their other ones in my collection, but I kind of figured this color might be more woman of color friendly, so I did pick it up. Plus this color was part of the fall sale haul event, so here is it swatched on my hand right here. So I would definitely keep you guys posted in terms of if it's woman of color friendly or not, but I felt like for $2.99 it was definitely worth trying. Then I picked up these 2 products from CVS. It is the Joa Infinite Kiss Satin Liquid Lipstick. This brand was definitely new to me. They had it in my CVS, so I kind of figured I'll just give the lip products a try. And I think the packaging is so adorable. Like, look at that packaging. It's so freaking cute. So this color is called Moi. And let me swatch it right here. It's like a corally, pinky, peachy kind of color. I definitely cannot wear it by itself because it's not going to be flattering by itself, but I can definitely like do some kind of lip concoction to make it work for me. And then this one is called Besu. I think it's called Besu. And it's like a really pretty like pinky, purpley, magenta kind of color. So this color will be so pretty in the spring and summertime. So again, it's the brand called Joa. It's the Infinite Kiss Satin Liquid Lipstick. And again, I got it from CVS. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all of my purchases from Ulta. It wasn't that much because they didn't have too many new things that caught my attention, but it was enough to like share with you guys. So again, make sure you guys stay tuned for my fall 7-day upload. And again, and this video is day 1. So make sure you guys please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys.